Police say all suspects linked to the murder of Rua businessman Joseph Mutangadura have now been accounted for, following the arrest of 2 more suspects in Gweru. Sanabina mashuko budanyi kwachinzi all Mutangadura murder suspects arrested. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamu budanyi kwachinzi Mutangadura, popularly known as Mutangas, was shot dead on 17 August 2025 during an armed robbery at his residence, Mutangadura hideout in Rua. According to police, 7 masked robbers overpowered a security guard before forcing their way into the house, where they shot Mutangadura in the stomach and chest. The gang then ransacked a safe and fled the scene. According to police, 7 masked robbers have been captured. In a statement issued on Friday, 20 March 2026, Zimbabwe Public Police National spokesperson Paul Yati confirmed the latest arrest. 2 suspects, Solomon Wisdom, Tariro 28 and Samuel Munyunguma 55, were apprehended in Gweru on Thursday following a tip-off received by CID homicide detectives. Yati said the operation led to shootout, during which one of the suspects, Valentine Butasa 34, was fatally shot. The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms that is of 2 other suspects, Solomon as well as Samuel Manyunguma. Solomon Tairo and Valentine Mutasa were both injured in the shootout and taken to hospital, where Valentine Mutasa was pronounced dead on arrival. Police recovered a 9mm Canik pistol loaded with the 2 live rounds, as well as an Echo 9mm blank pistol with the 2 blank cartridges. Yati said investigation had established that the Canik firearm had been stolen in Berengwa in September 2025. He further revealed that Samuel Munyunguma is assisting police with investigations into 2 additional armed robbery cases in Shavane and Berengwa. The public should take note that all suspects in the murder of Joseph Mutangadura have now been accounted for, Nyati said. Toma developments ari kuda pangwa ino kuchanwa kunzi awa even navagari vemuruwa vari kufara vachinzwa kuti awa these murders have been apprehended vabata. Pina comment section medu zvafungura imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.